Now we're just gonna go again, and as soon as I open it up, look at this. As soon as I open it up, I get greeted with this. All right, today we're gonna bring a solar light, and this is actually a bendable solar with motion sensor. All right, so when I open the door, because I'm gonna put it in a closet area, solar panels, I'm gonna put this on the top because I have a little shed that has no light, and I'm always 3D printing stuff in there. So I'm gonna hang this with actually a not Velcro, but zip ties. I'm just gonna, because it's really light, and I'm gonna set this up, but I'm not gonna mount this anywhere, but they do give you the option to mount it. I'm actually just gonna put it on the roof, and it's a flat surface, so this is outdoor graded. It's perfect. Just make sure you take out the little plastics, right? You don't want to bend them out at the end. So they give you that. They give you the instructions. All right, they give you a set of batteries, including the remote control in case you want to remote into it. But once you set it up, I'm not gonna do anything with that. I'm just gonna let it run. But I like the option, on and off button, motion sensors, different modes. Let's turn it on. So that's one. You guys can see that. That's two. So we're gonna do the sensor. Look at that. Motion sensor. Move it. That's it. And it takes a couple seconds. You can change the actual setup. All right, it's pretty much it. So this is really bright, so we're gonna set it up in one of our areas, make sure it works. Right now we just turned off. You could actually change the direction where you want the light. This is actually really powerful. I'm gonna set it up on our roof, and let's put it in our shed. So I have my light in there in the shed, and every time I come out there, it's just completely dark in here. I have one light right now, but I'm just to show you how dark it is. So I'm gonna open it up, and look at that. Motion sensor comes on, automatically brings the light in. I like that. Bringing the light now, I can work here in the shop at night. I have to worry about, you know, me bumping into things. And the good thing is I just close it. In a couple of minutes, it's gonna shut off. So I ran the key, but I put the solar panel on top of that. I have 3 solar panels actually. One for this shed, one for this one, and it goes into this shed here, which is great because it's gonna give you plenty of light. Now we're just gonna go again, and as soon as I open it up, look at this. As soon as I open it up, I get greeted with this. So the great thing about this, I'm printing 24/7 all the time. Got this giant printer I need to set up again. I got the light there, got a camera pointing it out, got my Bamboo Lab, one of the best printers ever. But this light has worked perfect. You don't have to worry about ever charging it up, and it's indoors here. It could be outdoor, indoor. You can mount it anywhere. Very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.